Hello viewers, welcome to my channels Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Today the children's star Danilia Tulsevia is a Kazakh singer. She represented Kazakhstan in the Junior Eurovision Song Contest 2018 in Manask, Belarus with her song Ozni Sen, finishing sixth before Junior Eurovision. She won the fourth session of the Voice Kids Ukraine and was the finalist in the Children New Wave 2015. Then Olivia was born 2006, now the age of 14. Today, the beautiful quotes of yourself. When you learn, depend on yourself, you will be hyper in life. You are beautiful at being yourself, but so ugly when you are try to be someone else. It is better to end something and start another than to impression yourself in hoping for impossible. Remember, loneliness is designed to help you discover who you are and to stop looking outside yourself for your worth. You can only see others as clearly clearly as you see yourself. You can give them another chance, or you can forgive, let go, and give yourself a better chance. Prove yourself to yourself, not people. Stop competing with others and start competing with yourself. Make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. Know your worth even if they don't. Don't ever be afraid to show who you really are, because as long as you are happy with yourself, no one else opening matter. Your biggest competitor should always be yourself. Self motivation is key. You wouldn't be successful without it. In life, you have to remember the people who have done good things for you in the past that you couldn't do for yourself. Live life like you want to, not how people want you to. You are your own person. No matter how hard you try to be someone else, it doesn't work. Be yourself, and that will. Don't let yourself be controlled by these very things, your past, people, and money. Put your trust in God and don't depend anyone. Believe in God and believe in yourself. Then the sky in your limit. The ability to discipline yourself to delay gratifications in short terms in order to enjoy a greater reward in long term is key to success. If you busy in the other debut, as a result you are debuting yourself. Don't debut yourself, believe in yourself. If you cannot be real with yourself, why should others be real with you? People are always out to prove something to other people. You don't need to worry about impressing others. Prove things only to yourself. If you are under the impression you have already perfected yourself, you will be never rise to the height you are debut capable of to lead a fruitful life. You need to give your best and set your internal standards and not compare yourself to others. Understanding yourself is a step toward inner peace and step nearer achieving your unfulfilled ambitions. Life is too short to stress yourself with people who don't even deserve to be an issue in your life. Give, but don't allow yourself to be used. Listen to others, but don't lose your own voice. Obstacles cannot stop you. People cannot stop you. Only you can stop yourself. Never let fear block your path to success. As long as you remain unknown to yourself, your presence will be unknown to be the world. Prove yourself to yourself, not others. Knowing others is wisdom, knowing yourself is enlightenment. To handle yourself, use your head. To handle others, use your heart. It is important to make people happy, but you have to start with yourself first. You cannot let others people tell you who you are. You have to decide that for yourself. Don't live your life with anger and hate in your heart. You will only be hurting yourself more than the people you hate. Be yourself. People don't have to like you, but you don't have to care. To be a champ, you have to believe in yourself when nobody else will. Just be yourself. Life is too short to be someone else. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. Know yourself. You are unique, precious, and a gift to this world. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grow you, or make you happy. The more you try to control something, the more it controls you. Free yourself and let things take their own natural course. Be yourself no matter what they say. Thank you.